Hey, my name is Christian. I'm the owner of Argent Marketing, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get more leads and overall customers from your website and your Google business profile. Real quick, want to introduce the company. The company is Argent Marketing. We do marketing for local businesses. So if you're a service-based business, a contractor, a GC, any sort of home service business, we're the company for you. We'll get you to the top spots on Google and help you make a lot of money from it. So to start off, I'm going to be showing one of our clients. I'm going to explain exactly what we do when it comes to the website and the Google business profile. So this is the site that we built out for them. Here's the main page. This is the home page. So a couple things I want to point out. In the header, this is site-wide, so this doesn't change at all. We have their phone number, and then we have a get your free quote button. We have this up here. When we go here, it's a very simple form. We don't want to overcomplicate this, so type of project, name, phone number, email. That's it. We also give them the big option to call us. But nonetheless, this is very important. So I really want to emphasize that you want to make it very easy for anybody that lands on your website to give you a call or fill out a contact form. And again, here's, we have get a free quote button here. We have the contact form, and just kind of very simple language. We throw in some reviews here. We want to show off the good work that our client has done. And then further here below, some information about the company. And this is mostly for SEO purposes, but let's say someone gets to the bottom of the page, so they don't have to scroll back up. We have the button here below. So you might think this is like, these are small details that don't matter that much, but I promise you they do. Making it easy for your clients to reach out to you is super important. Now, when we're looking at the Google business profile, there's not as much that we can change here, but there's still some things that we can make sure we do so customers that click on our Google business profile decide to reach out to us instead of competitors. Number one is photos. We want to have a lot and good pictures. So there's two ways you can have pictures up here. You can upload them yourself, or you can have clients leave reviews that include a picture. That's the best possible that's the best possible approach. First of all, because it's a great review, one that includes a picture is great in terms of SEO purposes. And if people are scrolling through your reviews, they see your review with the picture. People love to see that, and it just adds on pictures into your gallery here, which is again great. But the main thing with the Google business profile is the pictures and the reviews. I'm sure you're kind of familiar with this. You want to have good reviews in here, and you want to be replying to them as well. But reviews are a massive factor. Again, it kind of depends on the industry in terms of how important they are, but they're universally important. So let's look at how some competitors are stacking up. So pulled up some Google business profiles here and some websites. I'll go through some of the websites and I'll give you my opinion on them. So for example, this website looks pretty good. They have nice pictures. They have some information about the company. Stuff like this is great, having pictures of your team and giving some credibility. Contact form here, I don't know, it would be better if this was kind of further up, but there's a contact button here, phone number, so this is fine. And again, this is another great company to have a big call us button, book an appointment. This is totally fine. So I think this is good. If we look here, again, contact us. You can schedule a free consultation. Again, they have the button here. They're encouraging the people that land on their website to reach out to them. Now, a not so great example is this company. Well, first of all, this is kind of an outdated site. It's not great. They're not getting any leads from this. I mean, they have their phone number here, but people aren't going to be reaching out. So this is not a great site. I mean, I'm sure they get calls from kind of their Google business profile, but I'm sure they're missing out on a lot of leads because they don't have a good website. They don't have a contact form. Not that many people want to, just call you directly. Some people like to leave their information, then get a call back. If we look at this company, they're doing pretty well. They have their phone number here. They have this pop-up below, and when you scroll all the way to the bottom, again, their phone number. It'd be nice if they added a contact form, but nonetheless, I think this is pretty good. So I hope this gives you a pretty good idea on what you should be doing when you're building out your website and Google business profile. It's relatively simple. It's not too complicated, but having these things really makes sure and improves your click-through rate. So how many people actually decide to reach out to you when they see you in the search results. It's one thing to just be the top company, but if people aren't going to be reaching out to you if you're up there, there's no point in being there. So doing this will make sure that customers actually reach out to you, and it definitely improves your lead flow a lot. And just to kind of show you this in action, here's some form submissions from one of our clients. You can see they get a ton of them, and that's because we make the submission form front and center on their website. People land on the website and they're able to leave their information very simply. It's a very simple contact form. It's just name, phone number, and then the type of project you need. So it's not difficult for clients. It's almost easier than them calling. So these are kind of some results that you can expect if you implement this properly, along with well done SEO, where you're actually showing up at the top. So I hope this was pretty insightful. This is kind of an interesting topic, but it's definitely worth doing right. And look, again, if you're a local business, you're looking to be the top company on Google, make a ton of money from it, capture those leads that are searching on Google for the services you provide in your area. We're the company for you, Argent Marketing. I'll have our website linked below. You can go to our client results page. You can click this button here, get in touch. You can leave your information, and either me or somebody else from the team will give you a call.